Hey, Ian here from RainBarrelParts.com. I just wanted to give you a quick little message on how to figure out which diverter you may need, whether that's 2x3 or 3x4. Super simple. You're just going to grab any standard tape measure. You're going to go across your downspout. If it's 3 inches across, you're going to need a 2x3 diverter. If it's 4 inches across, you're going to need the 3x4 diverter. All right. And if you have a round downspout, you will obviously need this awesome round spout diverter that goes in there, captures all your water, and then brings it over to your rain barrel. All right. Just some of the pieces that we have. I'm not going to go full length. If you go to our website, rainbarrelparts.com, you will see the full length tutorial from beginning to end on how to connect your diverter to your rain barrel and even to the spigot that will connect to your hose. All right, we are here for you. We're glad to help. Reach out to us. We want you to have a great, successful spring and summer season with your rain barrel because we know how important it is for everybody. So if you need anything, hit us up, and the link will be in the comments section. Please like, share, and let's get ready for this spring and summer.